Hello everyone, myself Anil, and now I am recording a video of class 8 mathematics, and the chapter which I have chosen is linear equation in one variable. So basic properties or basic things of this chapter, like what is expression, variables, what is equation, all these things we have studied in earlier classes. So before we come to the today's class topic, let's have a quick recap of that. So the chapter which I have chosen is linear equation in one variable. This is our chapter and the class is 8. So if we come to the expression, equation and variables and all, expressions are something which contains variables like 2x, 3x, 5x plus 3, 10x plus 15, like that. These are the expressions which are containing variables. But in these expressions, if I bring equality sign, like I'll take for example 10x plus 15 is there. If I bring equality sign, if I write 0 or something else like 10x plus 15 is equal to 30, some constant, any value I bring. If these are called equations. So in the expression, if we bring equality sign, then it will be called an equation. These are expressions. When it is here, this is our variable. Why do we call it variable? Because here you see other than this, 10, 15, 30, these value are fixed. This value will be of 30, 15. But here x value in mathematics we have don't know what might be the x value. Here I don't know if it is 1, 2, 15, 100, 1000, lakhs, whatever is that. We are not known value. We don't know the value of x here. And one thing, this is called equality sign. This is what equality sign. So this is our basic. Now let's come over today's class. What do we learn today's class? We will learn that how can we solve that equation, the solution of these equations. That is our purpose of our today's class. So let's take this one only. I'll take this one or this one. Better take this one. So 10x plus 15 is equal to 0. This is our equation is given. Now my concern is to find the value of x. How can we find that? For that we will use an example, and then I'll take it. I'll say weighting machine. So if you have seen weighting machine, it looks like some kind of here, and if we hold it from here, if I keep 5 kg weight this side, then it will get this color, then it will come down. So if I want to bring it back to here, I have to keep 5 kg, if it is 5 kg, I have to bring 5 kg here, then it will come to balance. If you have seen by using to your parents, and what they do, they will keep some known weight this side and something here which is unknown, like rice, wheat, something they will keep, and they will try weighting until and unless both get balance. So if once it comes to balance, they will say it is 5 kg also. So that means to balance here it is 5 kg. Now if I subtract or reduce 1 kg here, that means I keep 4 kg. Now this machine or weighting machine got misbalance or unbalanced. Here this weight is high, so it will come like that. So to bring it back, I have to reduce 1 kg here as well. That means I will keep 4 kg to right side. Similarly, if I add 1 kg here and if I keep that, will become my 6 kg. Now again it is what is balance or unbalanced. Here 1 kg, so it will become 6 kg to bring it in balance. If I subtract, I have to subtract right side as well. If I that means 2.5 kg per kilo. Then here also I have to do same thing. I have to keep 2 and it should be 2.5 kg only. Then only it is put to the balance. So what do we learn with this as? Whatever the activity, whatever the things, adding, subtracting, multiplication, dividing, everything, whatever I am doing to the left side, to make it this balance, I have to do the same thing, either addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all. I have to do same thing with the right side as well. This all the properties, whatever we have done, these things will be applied to this equation as well to solve. So this will help us to get the value of x. So if I see here, our equation is 10x plus 15 is equal to 0. Now, if you see plus 15, if you with this if you compare, plus 15 is something extra term. It will look better kind if I remove 15 from here, then I will be having remaining with only 10x. So how can I do that? We will use the property, those property. Here this 15 is added. If I want to remove that, what I should do? This is my 15. If I subtract 15, then 15 minus 15 will give me 0. So if I am subtracting 15, here also I will subtract 15. So now we are having 10x plus 15 minus 15 will give me 0. So that means then nothing will be equal to 0 minus 15 will give me minus 15. So if I write it here, 10x is equal to minus 15, this is what now we are having. Now, here is, I am having 10x into 10x, so 10 into x. 10 is multiplied with this. If I remove 10 here, I will be having only x. Very good. Like, it will be best to only x I will be doing that. So, if I want to remove, how can I do that? As I know, if it is multiplied with that, if I divide with them, then 10 divided by 10 divided by 10 will give me 1 into x will be x. So I will remain with only x. But if I divide it with 10 left side, to make it equal, I have to divide with 10 this side as well. So if I do that, 10 divided by 10 1 into x will be x. So x will be equal to 15 divided by 10 will be giving me 1.5. So now we got the value of x, that is minus 1.5. This now is because fixed order value of x we are going to. Let me take one more example so that we can understand it better. I will take this time some tough example. Today 15x plus 45 will be something like 115 50 only. So if I want to solve that, same property here, 45 is extra term. I want to remove this. So if I want to remove, I have to, if it is plus 45, I will write minus 45. So 15x plus 45, to remove that I write minus 45. And if I am writing minus 45 left side, to make it equal, I have to write minus 45 right side. Now if I solve, if I say 15x plus 45 and minus 45 will give me 0, and here if I subtract, I remove 150 minus 145, this is 150 minus 45, which will give me 105. So I will remove it 105. And if I divide with that, then it will be, see, here x is multiplied with 15, or if I want to say other word, 15 is multiplied with x. So if I want to get the value of x, I have to remove 15. If I want to remove 15, if it is multiplication, I have to divide with 15. So if I divide with 15, here also I have to divide with 15. So I divided with 15. Now 15 divided with 15 will give me 1. 1 into x will give me x. 15 divided by 1 more time. So here if I want to solve that, 15, then it will be something like 3. This will be 21. And I will be, let's see. These are the two examples we have. These are the helpful in our real life also. If I like give you example to let's consider that you went to the market. For example, stationery shop. You went to the stationery and you purchase 4 to 5 pencils. So by the time when you purchase pencil, you forgot to ask the price of pencil. So what you did, like you paid the amount and you came. But while coming, your friend was also there and he borrowed 5 rupees from you. And the total spending amount you remember because when you came back you checked, you spent 30 rupees. So if you have these details, with using all these things, you can find the value of x. Okay, let us calculate. So let me remove this. So here value of price of this pencil we don't know, and here if you see x value, here x value is also known, we don't know. So here we were not known before. Here also when we started x value we are known. So let's consider that the price of pencil which we don't know here, we want to find, and x also value we were like we wanted to find. So that is considered as x. Now as I told we got 5 pencils. So price of one pencil was x rupees. 5 pencil price will be 5x. How it will be? Like if I consider for a while 100 rupees per pencil. If I want to buy 2 pencils, I have to pay 100 plus 100. Because one pencil 100, another pencil 100, 200 rupees. Like 2 pencil 100, 200. 3 pencil 100, 300. 4 pencil 100, 400. Like 5 pencil x, 5x. 5x and 5 rupees you give to your friend. That will be 5x plus 5, that will be equal to 30 this time. Now if I want to solve that, I have to remove equal 5. So what I will do? 5x plus 5 minus 5 will give me 30 minus 5. So this will give me 5x is equal to 30 minus 5 will be 25. Now 5x is multiplied by x. So if I want to remove 5 here, I have to divide with 5 and same thing I have to do the right side. If I divide with 5 divided by 5 will give me 1. 1 into x will give me x. 25 divided by 5 will give me 5. Now if you see the x value is 5, x value is your price of pencil. So now we got the price of a pencil was 5 rupees. So like that we can solve real life examples also. So this is all about the today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.